furniture restorer Will Kirk has admitted it's a shame he has missed out on quality time with his family due to filming The Repair Shop. Morning Live host Sam Kwok asked, "It must be fantastic working on the show and of course, working amongst a team of other experts as well, sharing your stories about how you can help people." Will replied, "Yes, yeah. We are like a big family here, mainly because I spend more time here than with my own family, which is a shame. But especially, now, my daughter is teething so badly, so it's a nice bit of respite for me." Will's daughter was born in July last year to him and wife Polly Snowden, an educational psychologist. The pair had to cancel plans to marry in August 2020 due to the COVID-19 pandemic but have since tied the knot and have one child. Will frequently opens up about being a new father, and he recently touched hearts when he announced a poignant gesture. He told Lorraine Kelly in March about his plan to use his woodcrafting skills to give his daughter a thoughtful gift each year. "I'm going to do a different animal every year," he told the Scottish presenter on her self-titled ITV show. Don't miss. Jay Blades lands new role with Sir David Jason away from The Repair Shop. Latest, Michael Rosen on how The Repair Shop rescued his precious diary. Video, The Repair Shop's Jay Blades freaked out by creepy doll. Reaction, Lorraine urged him to enjoy every second of his daughter being so young. The proud dad liked to share updates of the important moments with his firstborn. A recent Instagram post showed him lifting his daughter towards a blue sky as he stood against an exotic background in Corfu. He captioned the sweet snap, "Thank you Corfu for a wonderful first family holiday." Echoing Lorraine's advice, several fans told Will to make the most of this period with his child as they commented on how cute the picture is. While it seems he has taken the wise words into account, his Morning Live interview suggests the dad feels some guilt about missing out on family time, despite being glad to get a break from the teething problems. Will joined The Repair Shop when it first aired 2017 and became an instant hit. Morning Live airs weekdays from 9:15 a.m. on BBC One.